If you want to add or remove widgets on the cover screen on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then you can go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and choose the cover screen. Here in the cover screen, we're gonna go for widgets. And over here now we have, of course, all widgets that have been so far added. If you want to remove a widget, you can just tap on the minus that we have in the upper right corner of the widget. If you want to add a widget, you can just go through this list, and of course you can choose from whichever app you want to get the widgets. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And then we can tap on any widget that we want to add and choose the add button. We can still reposition these widgets, I believe. There we go. We can drag them around if you want to. And also we have multiple pages, so you don't have to limit yourself to this one window. As you can see, we can keep adding more widgets if you want to, and then you can just swipe between all of those widgets. Now, once you are done, we can of course go to the cover screen and we can check out if it actually works properly. So there we go. Here we have our first page and then the second page with our widgets. Leave a like and subscribe.